What the? It's the most cambered car I've ever seen. What up, gangy? This is how we're gonna do this intro. Let me make this one more turn. It's been a while since I made a video. For those of you who don't know, we are from Jersey. Me and my buddies rented out this 9-car trailer, and we're about to go load up right now. Our cars are heading down today. We're not leaving until Wednesday. We're gonna land there around like 2 p.m. We're gonna Uber to get to our... Yo, shut up. To get to our cars, unload them, and then the fun begins. That's looking pretty flat up there. First car in, how do we feel?
Sketched out.
Did you even know you were gonna be the first car in?
No, I know you can air up work as a... Oh!
As of right now, knock on wood. Nope.
These nuts.
Wait.
Oh.
Go. You know how to drive man well?
Not too well.
Not too well is crazy.
Go. I'm just doing a burnout.
Oh, you chill. That's what we needed.
The whole time.
Hey man, you're up there.
How long is it gonna take for you to load up your car?
10 minutes.
Oh!
Oh my god, that looks insane.
Oh my god, it's so humid here.
We're about to unload the cars. It took us about 7 hours to load them in. Hopefully, it only takes us like another hour or two. It should be a lot easier. First things first, it's hot as balls here, bro. That's steep as hell. His lip is touching the floor. Yo, that bro's stuck. Damn, Justin, look at that. Yeah. Hey, yo. Wow, bro. Yeah, that's so sick.
car won't air up, bro.
Gang, y'all know what that means.
Bad.
Now we're about to do a whole house tour. Oh, hello, how are you? What are we watching today? Luke's not there. Oh, damn, do they have their own bathroom? Damn, we outside. We didn't get to try that pool last night. Definitely gonna hop onto that. Let's go say what's up to everybody else upstairs. Peep the new merch. Peep the new merch. Oh! Oh! Where's the damage? Let me see. I don't know, bro.
My head is up here. That's crazy.
We finished this whole bottle day one. Empty, bro. Empty. Let's see. Fit check. Fit check. Damn, bro.
Yeah,
oh my goodness.
That shit looks distorted.
Damn. You wear this shit every week.
Every week, yeah. Damn, what the? Damn, now I gotta change. That's crazy.
Kenzo, what you looking for?
A hose.
The hose?
The hose.
Yo, you looking for the hose in the laundry room? What the hell's going on here? Okay, okay. Me and Kenzo are gonna go look for the hose, so we'll talk to you later.
Do me a favor real quick. Turn around. Let me see her back. Mm-hmm. She looking pretty big. Here you go.
This brother Chris is still here. We about to try something right now. Now we're using Kenzo's compressor.
Nothing?
What we got going on here, gang?
Smacked the hell over the curb with the wheel, so it's bent now, but it still holds air, so...
Oh shit. I see it.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what happened with Frankie real quick?
Got a gash in the sidewall, and then when we went to take the wheel off the car, a bunch of hardware just fell right out.
Like this hardware.
Yeah, that hardware...
Come out this way. Yep.
It's so cute. Stop it. Look at it. Why are you?
Hey, yo! The green light, my gangy. A little more, keep going. Yeah, right there. I would say whole gang outside, but not the whole gang is outside. Bro, I cannot be caught with this right now, bro. This shit is horrible. Oh my goodness, this thing like completely off. Ah, but dude, yo, this red one right here, matching till he's got his 326 wing on. That shit looks tough. What is this, a Q? Yo, why can't your Q be like this? Nah, this one's tough. He said, Kenzo, hit it. Our people. Huh? Got this fire ass beam. Damn, that's tight.
Yeah, no, you know.
Oh, this car that parked behind us is fire too. We're about to go back to the Airbnb. We just got food. We're about to go check PSI, and we are out.
The man from Tay Wavy, bro.
That's crazy.
Cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys, straight up. Louis V shirt with no sleeves. I got Slaughter Gang, nigga, I'm reppin'. 21. Chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. 21. Call him new era, he capping. Yeah, them the type of niggas I ain't that on. When I book a show, make my back end cashin'. 21, Uncle Sam dog, I'm taxing. Riding in the coupe and it's a sport. Yeah, my bodyguard look like a horse. Straight up, she gon' suck me up like it's a chore. On God.
BNB tonight looking fire. Oh, hold on, look at this boat.
I was trying to take us to our B&B and I put the wrong address.
You put more. Y'all like my GPS? Made it. There's like absolutely literally no cars here though. It's just us. Somebody go take pictures. I guess sleeves. Okay, okay. Got Jinx right there, nice. that beaver's nice. This tough, bro. He's got nice tilt. Even this too. Mr. ASM. That thing is I think this is Bam. I don't think I've met him yet. But that car is beautiful. Oh, it's Matty Ice. Mr. Texas.
Mr. Jersey right here.
Cole's car is insane.
A few moments later.
Well. Right there. I locked my keys in my car. I thought I dropped it at the beach, to be honest, which could have been a lot worse.
Yo, he's riding on 2 wheels. No!
What happened?
Alyssa got stuck, bro. We waiting for her. Is it fun being passenger princess?
Honestly, yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna get my head chopped off. Dirty?
Is it part of the designers on mug?
No. Oh, no. Oh, we out? Damn. Word.
Probably hair chase, bro.
He said,
They're not getting out their car.
oh!
No, he went down the road.
He ripping that
Camera fogged up. I don't know if it's still foggy here, gang. Can you tell? It's hella humid here still. We're about to go head over to the show right now. It's 9 a.m. Rolling was supposed to be at 8, but hell no, I'm not waking up at 7. Right there. Back up a little. Tommy's got competition. Look at that beauty. I got distracted. I was setting up the booth, but I had to stop. Holy. Oh my God, that thing is insane. It's literally tucking lugs. Oh my, yo, that really is tucking lugs. He's actually got a nice trunk setup. What would you rate this car, 1 to 10?
Give it a 9 out of 10. If anything, I'd like match the front with the rear.
Now that I look at it, yeah, like it's tucking hella in the rear. Yo, go look at that car over there, that black one.
Oh, what the? Hey, yo. Half the wheel is inside the fender, bro.
No, it's the most cambered car I've ever seen.
God. That thing is... Yo, nah, man. I don't know how to do that.
I don't even know like how the math goes in that shit.
This car is mathing, bro.
What would you rate it, 1 out of 10?
Honestly, after seeing the cambered car, it has to be a 10 out of 10.
That's insane. It's actually pretty clean for like the way that it is. Yo, this is like a whole nother level.
And yes, gang, I'm glazing. Hey, yo! I'm glazing.
It's okay to glaze.
I'm glazing it. Ah. I got the whole booth set up. Everybody else parked up in the front right here. And I just scattered everybody so everybody can get their solo shots. And I get my solo shot. This brother's cooking. I love me my wagons. I like the two-tone on it too. I see what you did.
I'll see you later, alright?
We gonna put him at top 5 for now since we haven't seen any cars yet. I think I found one more. Chat, what we think about this? Is this top 5 material right here? This fitment's nice though. I don't know. Let's keep walking around. Broke my neck though, I'll tell you that. There's so many cars here. Like top 5 can't even. Please don't take personal. I don't want to get canceled. My top 1 car might be right in front of me right now. I've been wanting to see his car this entire time. Wow, bro. I'm putting this at top 1 right now. I walked all this section. This is my top 1 right now. The gold accents. I'm glazing. I'm glazing. Ooh. That's tough. Nah, y'all gotta see his wheels. Hold on. I love my boats, bro. But this thing is gas. Is this yours?
Yeah,
Is this yours? Oh shit! I was just glazing it. Already about to pick my top 5, and we haven't even gone to the whole other section yet. I might have to do a top 5 in this section. I might have to do a top 5 in that section over there.
Cancel, you should have stayed green, man.
Show the green. Show the green.
So waiting on my wheel.
My top 1's Lewis. My top 5 is the wagon. My top 3, this one. Look at this tint. Usually I'm not a fan of the Lambo doors. I don't know, it kind of pulls it off, gang. I'll put this homie at top 3 right now. Alright, let's keep walking. We got 2 more cars to choose from. Is that Tay? Is he bagged? Damn, bro. I didn't know you bag your shit.
Yeah, bro.
Huh? Wait, are you actually on bags? No. No?
You thought it was so bad?
We gotta speed this round up because I'm getting.
Alright, word. Bro, Gil's car looks insane. I've only seen this car on Instagram. You rocking with it?
Yeah, it's fire. If I had money too.
Dude, this fitment's insane for a Porsche. That's what the homie means if he ever says he wants to touch tips.
Hey, yo!
Wow, that Genesis is gas. I've shown the top 2 car in the camera earlier. We'll put this homie at top 2 though. Y'all ready? Damn! Oh yeah, with the other homie posted up in the back. Is that a car? Is that Dave? You wish that was you, huh? This is my top 2 car in the show.
That's the top car in the show.
Oh! All the Dante's in there. And brothers, just like that, our trip is done. No, it's not done yet. Look at this B-roll action. Yo, it was harder to load your car than my car this time. What happened?
Dude, I stalled.
Full truck, on board. Wow.